Hey everyone, welcome to Learn Cybersecurity BD. I'm MD Joshim with you all. In today's video, we're going to dive into network security and explore how attackers can exploit ARP spoofing and HTTP vulnerabilities using powerful tool called Bettercap. First up, let's talk about ARP spoofing. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol, which helps device to local network map IP address to MAC address. But here's the catch: ARP is not secure. Attackers can send fake ARP messages to trick devices into thinking they are communicating with the wrong machine. For example, an attacker could impersonate to the router redirect traffic through their own machine. This allows them to intercept or manipulate data, gaining access to sensitive information like login credentials, unencrypted traffic, or even injecting malicious content. Now let's look about HTTP vulnerabilities. When you visit website using HTTP instead of HTTPS, data sent between your device and website is not unencrypted, leaving an exploit to attackers. Which tools like Bettercap hackers can intercept unencrypted HTTP traffic. This make it possible to steal password, session cookies, and other private detail. So, where does Bettercap comes in? It's a powerful penetration testing tool that can perform both ARP spoofing and capture HTTP traffic. HTTP traffic. With Bettercap, attackers can perform man-in-middle attacks, hijack connecting and snipe data real time. But don't worry, it's also a great tool to secure any network. Security professionals can test and secure networks to use this tool. In today's video, we will do penetration testing of Wi-Fi, from which we will discover all connected devices, IP addresses and MAC addresses from ARP table and do attacks of a target mobile from our Kali Linux machine, which Bettercap has latest technique to do this. So at first we will do ARP spoofing attacks, then redirect our router to the Kali machine to discover browsing history, credentials and other cookies, etc. Remember, it's only educational purpose, so do not practice this kind of attacks in any professional area. So we'll start from our Kali machine terminal. I've opened the terminal and take the root access sudo su. I'm giving the password. Oops, password mistake. Let's try again. Yes, I am successfully logging to my root access. Here we will update our Kali machine. Sudo apt update. Then hit enter. It will take time to update my Linux machine. Oh, as my internet is very slow and I am trying to update my machine. Here I pause the video. Okay. I came here again. It is 80% completed. Still need some time to update my machine. So I'm waiting for updating. Here I have updated, and after that I will upgrade the machine. Sudo apt upgrade. Start again, and it will require some library functions, some libraries. It will also take some time. System is upgrading. So I am waiting for upgrade my machine. We are going to start this. We have to update our machine because Kali needs some library functions that has updated in server but not in my machine. It required to update. Here is 88% completed. I have some time more. So I am waiting for update my machine. Upgrade my machine. Here it is. I upgraded successfully. Clear. So I am starting to install Bettercap now. To install Bettercap here, I have to apt install Bettercap. Sudo apt install Bettercap, then Y for yes. This library function will update or install. I've given Y, hit enter, and it is installing. It also needs some time to download those files, so I have to wait for this too. After installing the Bettercap, we'll start from our IP. That is, I have connected with the Wi-Fi to my Linux. So I have to know my IP and router IP, that is my gateway. This is the command that we'll start from, but let me show you my IP. My IP is, here is two interfaces, WLAN and Ethos 0. As you may know, I am using VMware here. So VMware has two adapter. One is wired and one is Wi-Fi. I have stopped my VMware adapter here and starting with WLAN wireless. So I'll attack from the interface WLAN 0. So let's get it, and starting from sudo bettercap hyphen iface WLAN 0, hit enter. That is, my WLAN 0 will be used for Bettercap. My IP is 10.0.0.8, here showing. My Bettercap version is 2.33, and this is the Bettercap website that I like to show you. Here is a lot of commands that anyone need any help, anyone can go with Bettercap org. Here is a lot of commands that you may require. Scripting, here is scripting. All example is given here. All the things HTTP requires, installation, all information available here. So if you need anything to know about more, you can go bettercap.org. Here you can get all the helps or all the commands that you require. So we stop this now. Control C, hit Y, that is close Bettercap. Now we will start Bettercap C caplet. Here we are showing some commands from Bettercap. You can find this command from here also. Debug, evaluate, iface starting, all available commands here. So if you have to know about more this for Bettercap, you can learn from here too. My version checking, Bettercap hyphen version. My version is 2.33, and all function is here. Let's clear it and we'll go to start our attacks. Sudo bettercap iface wlan 0, that is my interface wlan 0. I'm starting attack from the interface wlan 0. My IP is 10.0.0.8. Then I'm starting from open prov on net.prov on. It will discover all the devices from the network. Here is showing all devices, MAC and address. So we'll give another command net.show. Net.show will show our table. I adjust the site more. The terminal will be little bit, yes, now it's okay. Here ARP table showing. After giving the net.show, all device is here. My Wi-Fi device, I'll start attack to this IP 10.0.0.7. My IP is showing here WLAN 0 and here the IP. And I will start to attack 10.0.0.7. That is my mobile, and I am setting this set ARP spoof full duplex. That is my router redirecting from router. I am instructing the router, that is I am the router, and route this IP from my laptop or my Kali machine. Set ARP spoof dot full duplex true. Set ARP dot spoof, that is start spoofing. I am telling the router I am the router and redirect this IP through my Kali Linux. That is 10.0.0.7. I am set the target IP, that is my mobile, ARP dot spoof on. I have started the spoof. Here is spoof started, and I will go to next step. Now net dot sniff on. I am sniping. I have started sniping. Look, my mobile right side of the screen. I have started sniping my mobile. If I browse google.com, here in my Kali Linux machine will show google.com. Let's check. I'm trying to browse another site. Google.com showing. Now I'm trying to browse a vulnerable site which is stored in online. I'm trying to find this website. Vulnerable from Google here, showing Google. At last I find the website vulnerable.com. Vulnerable.com is for pen testing. purpose. So don't use any password, any real password to this site because it is vulnerable. So I will test PHP login. Here I am clicking PHP vulnerable. Clicked. The left side here is showing what I am browsing right now. vulnerable.com. Here is left side. Here I will log in .php to test my password. Comes in. Here I will put my username and password. This is recommended that don't use any of user name or password in here because it's vulnerable, and this website for only vulnerability testing purpose. So I am putting my any username and password here. And clicked login. Look the left side in my screen. Password has been discovered. So let's start how to protect ARP spoofing. Use static ARP to the router that can protect redirect MAC or IP. Don't use public Wi-Fi. I have already described how your mobile sessions and other browsing history has exploited, so avoid public Wi-Fi. Use VPN. Use VPN to enhance security of your data. For enterprise network, system admin can separate network to use segmentation so that attack surface will be decreased and it will be easy to find out the attacks easily. SIEM, security information and event management, can be implemented to find and remedy of those attacks. As you may know, nowadays HTTP has already been expired, so most of the websites are now HTTPS and it is encrypted. Hackers can downgrade the HTTP security for any target machine to exploit the sessions and data, send phishing links, session hijack. We will do the penetration testing of the attacks in our next video. Be with us and take care.